Hello friends, welcome to Darchess, a 3D chess playing and live betting platform on the Polygon network. Darchess reimagines the way you play chess by integrating it with Web3, giving you the ability to stake tokens for games you play and also allows you to bet on ongoing live games. All of this while giving you a beautiful 3D chess interface created from scratch. You can interact with Darchess in 3 different modes. 1v1 matches, playing against real players around the globe. You can choose to stake tokens for the game. Winner takes the tokens on the table. Practice arena, playing against an AI opponent to get a feel of our interface or just to get good. Live streaming, betting on a live game. Every game being played on Darchess is live streamed over the network and is open for live betting and tipping to the streamers using a super chat like interface. The winning bidders take the bets on the table. The user flow of Darchess has been made as simple as possible. Upon first login, you will be prompted to connect your MetaMask wallet to Darchess. Your wallet ID is the only identity which will be shared on the Darchess platform. Not your name, not your image, but only this hexadecimal string will identify you. Eminent streamers can choose to make their wallet ID public so people can join their streams from the lobby. Or you can just keep it private if you are too conscious about your gameplays. After logging in, you have the options to start a 1v1 match, join the practice arena, or bet or tip on live matches. One v one match. For playing a 1v1 match, one of the players first clicks on Create Game. He or she is asked the amount every player will stake on the game. After accepting the transaction in their MetaMask wallets, they are sent to a lobby with a unique code. The player has to communicate this unique code to their opponent. The opponent clicks on the Join Game button, enters that unique code, stakes his share on the game, joins the lobby, and the game starts. You play the game on a React-based 3D chessboard, custom made for our platform instead of using third-party APIs. At the end of the game, depending on the outcome, the winning player gets the money on the table. If the game is drawn, the staked tokens are returned. During the game, nothing other than your wallet ID is shown. No matter how mediocre or professionally you play, you can play in perfect anonymity. Practice Arena. Practice Arena presents you with a 3D chess interface with an AI opponent to get familiar with the mechanics and practice and get better. You can rotate the board and zoom in and out. The AI opponent instantly responds to your moves. Live streaming, betting, and super chat. Here you are presented with a list of all the ongoing matches which can be streamed. Bidders can choose the game they want to watch and bet on any player's ability to win the current game. The bids will be executed at the end of the game depending on the game outcome. As the player IDs are their wallet IDs only, the viewers can also tip tokens to the streamers directly in their MetaMask wallet by sending a super chat. This functionality is implemented for targeting streamers who can ditch multiple softwares and can switch to our platform, which provides streaming, betting, and super chat all in one place. How are we handling payments? All the staking and betting is handled by Solidity smart contracts, which is a robust way of handling commitments on the Polygon blockchain. Also, most platforms make the mistake of signing smart contracts on the front end. This is a dangerous vulnerability, as the user may execute a transaction from the front end to fulfill the smart contract. We fix this by signing all smart contracts from a wallet at the back end. So if a malicious user tries to exploit the smart contract, his or her request would be rejected. This makes for a safe and secure staking and betting platform. How did we make the chess game? We used React.js and React 3 Fiber, which is an abstraction of the Three.js library, to render the chessboard and chess pieces in an immersive 3D world. This is built from scratch. A chess engine evaluates the moves both at the front end and the back end to check for invalid moves and acts as the AI in the practice arena mode. The game state is passed to the engine in the FEN encoding system. Why did we use Polygon? Due to the ubiquity and the ease of use that comes with the Polygon network, it was the ideal choice for this project. Solidity smart contracts work seamlessly with Polygon, and with its large reach, it enables our platform to be used by a larger consumer base. So what are you waiting for? Jump right into Duchess and start a staked chess game or bet or tip on live chess players and experience the chess frenzy.